Hello guys, today in this video, we are going to help you to find out the best garden hose in market. I made this list based on my personal opinion, and I tried to list them based on their quality, durability, customer review, and more. If you want to see their price and find out more information about them, you can check our links in the description below. Number 3. Corona GT3244 Extended Reach Hoe and Cultivator, red, no size, gray. Corona's new line of Extended Reach hand tools are designed for working in raised bed gardens, small garden, and tight access locations. Comfort GEL grips deliver comfort to gardeners who seek an easier, more therapeutic gardening experience. Optimal 36 in length for long reach and balance. Ideal for gardeners who find many long-handled tools too hard to manage. Unique trapezoid-shaped handles add comfort and control. The hoe breaks through soil for deeper digging and tilling. The heavy-duty 3-tine side of the tool cultivates the soil, getting it ready for the planting. Corona Tools, born in the orange groves of Southern California in the 1920s, has a long history of designing superior tools that continue to provide lasting performance season after season. Number 2. Bully Tools 92,353 12-gauge garden hoe with fiberglass handle. Tools made to last a lifetime and be passed on from generation to generation. 100% made in the USA. Bully Tools is bringing back that tradition with tools built to endure years of hard labor. We have re-engineered classic designs of shovels, rakes, and other popular tools to create more efficient, durable products. Special features on specific products include true 14-gauge steel, triple wall wood reinforced fiberglass handles, extended length ferrules, and welded I-beam supports. We stand behind our products and offer a limited lifetime warranty. If one of our tools fails during normal use, we will replace or refund it. In a time when cheap foreign products are the norm, Bully Tools offers affordable. Number 1. ERGIDSA-VEL ERGGHOE 625 Steel Impact Resistant Garden Hoe / 6.25-inch shank pattern blade, 12-gauge, 54-inch shaft, with patented ergonomic second handle, gray/orange. Make it work easier on yourself with this innovative garden hoe. The added handle that connects to the steel shaft helps reduce the strain on your body so you can work longer. And the 54 shaft gives you added reach. That's the smarter way to do work, by Sun Joe. Added handle. Extra handle for added leverage. Helps reduce the strain on your back. Large blade. 6.13 shank blade. Lightweight. Durable design that weighs under 5 ounces.